In this example, a sequence is defined by u1 equal 1 and un plus 1 equal 2 minus 3un, where n will be bigger than or equal to 1. So for part A, we need to find the value of u2 and the value of u3. So to find the value, we know u1 is 1. To find the value of u2, that will be 2 minus, now we need to sub un, which is u1, so we'll have minus 3, and we sub 1 into here, and that will give us minus 1 as the value for u2. Now for the value of u3, we would have 2 minus 3, and we sub minus 1, which is the u2, into that expression, and that will give us 5 as the answer for u3. And this will be our answer for part A. For part B, we need to calculate the value of sigma, where r is from 1 to 4, and where we have r take away u to the r in between brackets. So when we have sigma of 4 and r is equal to 1, and we have r take away u to the r, that will be represented in the form of each r separate and each u taken away from each u separate. So in this scenario, we would have the values of r will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so essentially the sigma of r. So just to separate that, make sure it's a little bit simpler, you can write this as sigma of r minus from 1 to 4, and also sigma of ur from 4 to 1. So it can be written as the values of r, it will be the sigma of them will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and that will be taken away from u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus u4. Now in this scenario, we have the values of r, and we have also the values, so we add these values, that will give us 10, and for the u values we have 1 plus, so in this scenario, take away 1 because u2 is minus 1 and u3 is plus 5. Okay, and then we also need to find the values of u4. So to find the value of u4, that will be 2 minus 3 multiplied by 5. So that will give us, in this scenario, to be simplified, 2 take away 15, that will give us minus 13. So we will have also minus 13 here. So that to simplify this expression, we will have 10 minus 8. So that will give us the value being 18, which will be our answer for part. So in this scenario, we will have these two disappearing, and this, in this scenario, we will be left with the answer being minus 18 for part B.